Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of verifying your code for Amazon Prime on your Fire TV device. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you get set up quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Power on your Fire TV. Begin by making sure your Fire TV is powered on and connected to the internet. You will need a stable internet connection to complete the verification process. Step 2. Navigate to the Amazon Prime app. Using your Fire TV remote, scroll through the main menu to find the Amazon Prime Video app. This is usually located on the home screen or in the Apps section. Step 3. Open the Amazon Prime app. Select the Amazon Prime Video app to open it. If this is your first time logging in, you may be asked to sign in with your Amazon account. Step 4. Get your verification code. Once you are in the app, if you are not signed in, you will see an option to sign in or create a new account. Choose the option to sign in. The app will display a verification code on your screen. Write this code down or keep it visible for the next step. Step 5. Access the Amazon website. Now, grab another device like your smartphone or a computer and open a web browser. Go to the Amazon website and log into your Amazon account associated with the Prime membership. Step 6. Enter the verification code. After logging in, look for the section designated for device verification. Here, you will find a prompt to enter your verification code. Input the code exactly as it appears on your Fire TV. Step 7. Confirm your device. Once you have entered the verification code, click on the Confirm button. The website will process your request and confirm that your Fire TV has been successfully linked to your Amazon account. Step 8. Return to your Fire TV. Now, return to your Fire TV and wait a moment. The Amazon Prime app should automatically refresh, and you should now be logged in and ready to enjoy all your favorite shows and movies. Step 9. Troubleshooting, if necessary. If you run into any issues, double-check that you entered the correct code and that your Fire TV is connected to the internet. You can also try restarting your Fire TV and repeating the process. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on verifying your Amazon Prime access on Fire TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.